the final drop swirl design are my turtles. So my friend and I, we go paddleboarding spring through early fall, on all over the place around here. Lots of different rivers, lakes, ponds, and there's this one that we paddleboard on, and it's got all these fallen tree logs in the water, and the turtles love to come out and sun themselves on the logs. And every single time we're on that body of water, I'm always like, I need to make a soap of this. I just love it. Like, so I'm finally making a soap. I have these little turtle embeds that will go on top, and then I have a log and turtles sitting on it that will actually be an embed going through, and I will show you in just a moment. This fragrance I have been waiting to use forever. It's dragon fruit, pink dragon fruit from Midwest Fragrance, but supposedly it accelerates a little bit, so that's why I'm working first and showing you later. And so, like, everything I've been doing, I'm like, I don't want to, most of my designs, I haven't wanted a fragrance that accelerates. Oops, I forgot to put all that blue in, shoot. But this, I'm like, okay, I can get these drops in, and then hopefully it will set up pretty quickly that I can put this embed, because the embed's heavy, so I definitely don't want it sinking. So I'm like, yay, I can use this fragrance. Plus, I only got a 2-ounce bottle, stupid me. But, you know, I wasn't sure if I'd like it, and so I was just getting a small bottle to try. And I love it. Of course, that would be the case, right? So I'm like, okay, this is just a small batch, so this is a perfect to use it with. So again, this is ocean, or not ocean, lake, stream, river design. So hence the water. My turtles will be about ready to dive into the water. And I have one turtle that is going to be already diving under and swimming in the water. So he's going in. I'm not sure how well he'll stand out, since this is he's a dark green and the base is a dark color. Hopefully I don't mess up my drop swirls too much. But okay. So I'm really hoping, like this says, that it does set up fairly quickly, so I'll be able to place the embed and pour. But let me show you them. Okay. So this is my log. So it'll go on like this. And then I have 2 turtles that will sit on the log sunning themselves, and then I'll pour the sky. So hopefully it's cute. I think it will be. But like I said, this soap is based off of real life, and a scene that I always love seeing every time I go out on the water and paddleboard. And these are my logs with the turtles sitting on them. Can you see? That will go on top. So yeah, I'm gonna let this set up, and then I will come back and put the embed on and pour the top layer. are the turtles. Aren't they cute? Love the top. So let's cut this and see what the inside gives us. Okay, I have some happy turtles, it looks like. Let's see if that, okay, so they're levitating. They're jumping off and into the water. That's what they're doing. That's the other end. This one's at least partially on. He's about to follow his partner down into the water. It's cool. The drop swirls are not quite 100%. What? Oh my gosh. Okay, so the white I added a little bit, so it was a blue with titanium dioxide, and then I split a little bit off and added more titanium dioxide to give it the sky a little bit of a swirl, and the middle really gelled because look at those glycerin rivers. It's kind of cool, but wow, look at the difference between the two. That's kind of crazy. This one's like, they're close. I think the log is a little too big. Like, I might go back and maybe just make it a little bit smaller, or maybe just make two versions with bigger turtles and that log, and then a smaller log and these turtles. I feel like it's just a tad too big, but that's okay. It still reminds me of the scene when we paddleboard, and I like it, and I love them on top, so I will take it. Oh my gosh, the glycerin rivers. They give the sky an interesting look. We can say that. Yeah, the drop swirls aren't quite drops. They kind of flattened out, but that's okay. These two are the closest to being on the log. Progress there. Yeah, that's cool. I like it. There's just 10 of these bars, one small batch, and one is gonna be mine. So in reality, there's only 9.